Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Your escape to the coast, the timeless magic of a bleached white home. Ever dreamed of a house that feels like a permanent, peaceful sigh? That's the magic of French coastal style. It's not about themed decor, but a sun-bleached, wind-swept atmosphere of calm. Forget the bright nautical blues. This look is all about the quiet poetry of the shore. Imagine the classic, crisp white of a linen shirt paired with the soft, neutral tones of sun-bleached driftwood and sea-smoothed stone. It's a style that feels both elegantly timeless and incredibly inviting. Let's walk through how to bring this serene, lived-in look home, starting with that perfect pure white. The charm starts outside. Picture walls painted a bright, chalky white, like Chantilly lace, that almost glows in the sunlight. Pair it with shutters or front doors in a weathered gray wood, as if seasoned by sea air. The garden should feel loose and romantic, with lavender, rosemary, and hydrangeas in soft blues or whites. A gravel path, a simple wooden bench, and maybe a worn stone urn complete the scene. It's all about creating that effortless, just stepped off the beach curb appeal. Step inside to an instant feeling of calm. Your main wall color continues here, that same matte white creating a bright, airy canvas. A console table in pale jute or oatmeal colored wood sets the tone. Add a simple woven runner, a large rattan basket for shoes, and a piece of art in bleached out tones. The key is uncluttered simplicity, maybe just a beautiful shell or a vintage fishing float on display. It should feel less like a formal foyer and more like a gentle welcome. This is where you truly unwind. Keep those white walls as a backdrop for a sofa in a soft oatmeal linen. Layer and texture with a jute rug, a chunky knit throw, and curtains in a pale natural weave. Accent with weathered gray wooden side tables or a driftwood-inspired coffee table. Keep accessories minimal. A stack of art books, a ceramic vase with dried grasses, and plenty of natural light. The goal is a room that encourages you to curl up and relax, feeling both refined and completely comfortable. Your sanctuary should feel like a cloud. Dress your bed in crisp, white linen sheets, layered with a textural blanket in pale jute or gray. weathered wood headboard or a simple painted one in that classic white adds character. Soft, ambient lighting is key. Think ceramic base lamps or a woven pendant. Keep artwork muted and abstract, echoing sand and sea. The result is a retreat that's serene and soft, perfect for slow mornings and restful nights. Imagine meals that feel like long, lazy lunches by the sea. A farmhouse table in weathered gray oak is the ideal centerpiece, paired with mismatched cane seat chairs. Overhead, a simple rattan pendant lamp casts a soft glow. Set the table with off-white stoneware, linen napkins, and maybe a centerpiece of bleached coral or sea glass. It's unfussy and inviting, where the focus is on conversation and good food, not on perfect matching china. Here, functionality meets rustic charm. Opt for classic shaker cabinets in your matte white, with countertops in pale limestone or honed concrete for a tactile feel. Open shelving in weathered gray would display simple pottery and everyday dishes. Incorporate accents like a woven pendant light over the sink and hardware in unlacquered brass or pewter that will develop a patina. It's a kitchen that feels warm and lived in, where a few beautiful bowls and a vase of fresh herbs are the best decorations. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like coastal retreat. White subway tile or plaster-like walls keep it clean and bright. Use a vanity crafted from pale, weathered wood for warmth and texture. Choose fittings in brushed nickel or aged brass, and add plush towels in oatmeal and white. A simple rattan basket for towels and a piece of framed, abstract seascape art finish the look. It's a space designed for quiet moments, feeling both refreshing and deeply peaceful, like a fresh sea breeze.